Okay then, I think I'll have the same as him. And I would like a pot of tea too. I'll call the waiter over to take our order.
Now listen again.
This menu has such a good selection of breakfasts, but I usually end up having the same thing every time. So I guess I'll have egg and sausage with my toast. I'll also have a pot of coffee with hot milk.
Okay, I'll order the same for little Ryan, without the coffee, of course.
Don't.
Okay. What did the woman say? Who wants to start?
Me, teacher, but I need to hear again one more
Okay,
time.
let's go.
I'll call the waiter over to take our order.
To take order.
Now listen again.
That was the ending. You need to listen again.
Okay.
One more time.
This menu has such a good selection of breakfasts, but I usually end up having the same thing every time. So I guess I'll have egg and sausage with my toast.
Mhm.
I'll also have a pot of coffee with hot milk.
Okay, I'll order the same for little Ryan, without...
There. Focus on the woman.
Okay. Sorry again, please.
Yes,
I'm-
nothing? You don't have nothing?
No, I'm lost. I think that it's for the men, but no, it's woman, right?
Yeah. Focus on the woman.
Yes.
Focus on the woman.
Okay.
And I would like a pot of tea.
Again.
This menu has such a good selection of breakfasts, but I usually end up having the same thing every time. So I guess I'll have egg and sausage with my toast. I'll also have a pot of coffee with hot milk.
Okay, I'll order the same for little Ryan, without the coffee, of course.
Action.
They're ordering the same.
Yes.
For the last, I order the same. Or I just that. Sorry, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Here is pretty interesting. You understood I'll order the same.
Yes.
Okay. And here you have the a little trick from the audio.
Okay.
It's easy to understand I'll order the same, but this next part changes the story. Okay? The
Okay.
man said, I'll have, I think he said sausage with toast or something, no?
Yes.
Then she said, I order the same, but it's not for her. Attention.
Okay.
Karen, pronunciation.
Little.
Yes.
Little.
We use the word little when you are talking about a kid. Do you understand?
Little. Yes.
Little.
Little kind.
Little. No. When you are talking about a kid, do you know what is a kid? A child.
Okay.
You
Oh.
see?
Yes.
So this is the first trick. The name of the baby is. It starts with R. Tell me what's their name. Ready?
Yes.
Karen, last chance.
Yes, teacher.
And sausage with my toast. I'll also have a pot of coffee with hot milk.
Okay, I'll order the same for little Ryan, without the coffee, of course.
For little Ryan.
Exactly. I'll order the same for little Ryan, except the coffee.
Save the coffee.
So we know the order of the man and we know the order of the baby. We don't know the order of the woman yet.
Mm,
Interesting, no?
yes.
These audios are full of tricks.
Yes.
Let's. Tell me, Karen.
And the first, when I hear, I
Mhm.
can hear little Ryan. I don't know why. They, there is.
Yep.
Yes.
That was that. The trick is the first part. No, it's very easy to understand. I'll order the same. Perfect. So the same. What did the man say? The sausage. Boom. Letter B.
Okay.
No, it's the opposite. You know.
Okay.
Let's continue listening. Jesse, help us with the next transcription.
Don't get him sausages. He doesn't like them much.
Okay then, I think I'll have the same as him. And I would like a pot of tea too.
Jesse, is anybody
So,
home?
with men?
Yeah. In this case, we need the man.
I think that he said something like kind of meat, kind of milk. I'm to listening.
Time of what? I didn't understand. Can you speak louder?
I don't remember what the audio, but I think that listening something that he said kind of milk.
Time of
No,
meal?
what
¿Estás
is
diciendo?
that kind of milk?
That kind.
Mm-hmm.
That kind of meal. I think so, but later. But that's not the relevant information. Let's try again. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Coffee with hot milk.
Okay, I'll order the same for little Ryan, without...
Now listen again.
This menu has such a good selection of breakfasts, but I usually end up having the same thing every time. So I guess I'll have egg and sausage with my toast. I'll also have a pot of coffee with hot milk.
Okay, I'll order the same for little Ryan, without the coffee, of course.
Don't get him sausages. He doesn't like them much.
There.
Getting socials. Don't
Yes.
get sausage else.
Plural. Sausage.
Sausages.
Excellent.
Sausages. Sausages.
Mhm.
Else.
Sausages. Mhm. And that's it, right?
Yes.
You said get, but sounds similar to get. Sounds similar to get, but it's not get. Okay? One more time.
Don't get him sausages. He doesn't like them much.
Oh, pardon me. No, yes. He says get. You are correct. I understood different.
It doesn't get sausages. After that, it doesn't. It doesn't. Any else? No, I don't know.
Interesting. It doesn't. When he says him, who are we talking about?
The little Ryan.
Okay. So I think you can understand this word.
Don't get the sausages. The
What?
sausages.
But we are talking about little Ryan.
Don't get. Get. I don't know.
No, come on. How do you say no le des?
Don't get him.
Here is a woman.
Him.
Yes,
Don't
correct.
get him sausages. He
Get him
doesn't.
sausages. Is it very difficult to say get him?
No.
Get him is similar to say give him.
Get him.
And you know, a transitive verb needs a secondary person, right? So it's don't get him is similar to say don't give him.
Mhm.
Do you understand?
Yes, Master. I understand this. The sentence.
All right. One more time.
For little Ryan, without the coffee, of course.
Don't get him sausages. He doesn't like them much.
He doesn't like
Yes.
it much.
Close. What is the pronoun we use when you are talking about plural objects?
He doesn't like this.
Jessica Asmore.
He doesn't like them.
Yes, you are correct. Very good. Be careful, Jessica Asmore. Eh? This is kindergarten English.
Oh my god.
He doesn't like them much. Yes. Thank you very much, Jess. Karen is going to help you with the woman.
Okay, thank you.
So, Karen, the man said that the little boy, little Ryan, doesn't like sausages. Right?
Right.
Let's continue.
Okay then, I think I'll have the same as him.
Okay, I think I have the same like him.
Very good. Listen again.
So I guess I'll have egg and sausage with my toast. I'll also have a pot of coffee with hot milk.
Okay, I'll order the same for little Ryan, without the coffee, of course.
Don't get him sausages. He doesn't like them much.
Okay then, I think I'll have the same as him.
Okay, then I
Yes.
think I'll
Ah, perfect.
the same for him or
Incorrect.
I don't know. To him,
Yesterday, again?
as him.
Oh, very good. With this, you can know the answer.
Okay. Yes, letter A.
Exactly. The first answer you gave.
Mm, ah.
Mhm. Why is it letter A? Explain to us.
Because Ryan doesn't like the sausage
Ajá. Sausages, plural.
dishes. And in letter B and C, there are sausages.
Aha, exactly. That's the easiest way. It's not necessary to know the man's order.
Yes.
The man said, don't give him sausages. And we can say, perfect, eliminate the sausage. So eliminate letter B and eliminate letter C.
Yes. But it's so important to understand about little Ryan and about the sausage.
Yes, exactly. The key words, the most important words were little Ryan and sausage.
Yes.
So take a note, open glossary and copy word sausage and little.
Okay.
And that's it, my girls. You finally made it. Mhm. Girls, do you have any question?
No, teacher.
Cool. Well, we finished for today. We finally discovered number four, sorry. And on Tuesday, we are going to continue because it's the anniversary, the revolution birthday.
Yes.
All right. So have a wonderful Mexican day.
Thank you, teacher. For you too. Thanks.
Thank you. I'll see you later, guys.
See you later,
On Tuesday.
on Tuesday, right?
Mhm.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you later.